Okay, here is our generator multimeter, and it is a switch which is connecting to the MPPT, right? And this is how it's connected. The reason I put this switch here is to show you the difference between when the MPPT is on and connected with the generator, and when it's off means the MPPT is disconnected. Okay, so at the moment the MPPT is disconnected, and look at the we are getting the proper voltage out. Okay, now if I disconnect if I connect the MPPT, right? Sorry, this is connected now. All right, now look at the there's hardly any. It's really getting hard. There's no. And when I switch off, when I take the MPPT off, so that's what I mean. So when I put this comes on and try to it's getting really hard. So I don't know if it's a fault in MPPT, which is I have checked my MPPT from inside as well, that if there's any damage or any fault, but that's everything is intact inside the circuit of our charger, right? And yeah, that's what the problem is at the moment.